With an unverified YouTube account, the size and length of your videos are restricted. Until your YouTube account is verified, your videos will be limited to a length of only 15 minutes. But once your account is verified, you will be able to upload videos that are up to 12 hours long with a maximum file size of 128 gigabytes. So in order to upload longer videos, let's head over to youtube.com/verify and verify your new channel. So here's the YouTube verification page. It says here that verifying your account will unlock additional features and lets YouTube know that you're not a robot. So to get started, go ahead and select your country. Click the drop-down menu here and select the country that you're from. Next, you can select how you want YouTube to deliver your verification code. I'm going to select to have them text me the code. You can then make sure they're going to send it in the right language, and then you want to enter your phone number here down in the text field. After you enter your phone number, go ahead and click on the blue Submit button. YouTube will then send a text message containing your 6-digit verification code. Go ahead and type the 6-digit code that you receive into the text box here. Once you've typed in your code, go ahead and hit the blue Submit button. And congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Now that your channel has been verified and YouTube knows that you're not a robot, you can now upload videos over the initial 15-minute limit. Hey, Jason here again with Quantum Courses, and thanks for checking out this video preview. To get the full course and view our other online courses and masterclasses, head over to jasongandy.org or click the link down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button, and I'll see you next time.